Hey guys, so I just finished this open house for this property here, and I thought why not to give you a tour of the property and show you why $3.65 million gets you here in Del Mar. We're pretty close to the water. There's no HOA and no Mello Roos in here, but I think this is a pretty unique property and I cannot wait to show it to you. So as you walk in, you have a few stairs to go up. Then you have the security system that stays with the property. You have amazing light fixtures at the beginning of the property. And then you go 7 stairs up to your kitchen. As you can tell, I made sure that people signed in. I gave them all the information that they're looking for, especially in Del Mar, the prices, all the details about the property. But this property has had some major renovation. They spent about $350,000 on the property itself. It was rented out for 7 years, and now they're looking to move, potentially 1031 exchange the property. But one thing that I really like about the property is that it was custom built. It was built in 1999, and the owner really likes light coming into the property and high ceilings. So that's why they put all these windows to make it unique. And this deck alone, I don't know how much it was, but it is completely new. They just finished doing it a couple months ago. This is the access from the master bedroom. You do have new paint on the outside and inside. And then you have a large pool, which I'm gonna show you afterwards on the first floor. But as you can hear, or even not hear, all you can hear is the birds and the trees. So there's no road noise here. There's no HOA and there's no Mello Roos. And you do have 3 fire features in the property, which are a great bonus. And I am going to show you the master now. So as you walk into your master, it is currently staged. So all the furniture that you see right here is not gonna stay. You walk into your closet, one of many closets, which is also a mirror. And you do have another fireplace, which I think adds it. This is the perfect home to be when it's raining, just to feel cozy. You do have another area where you can write books or just do your makeup. Perfect for her. And as I show you guys, this is an area where you can come out to the main patio from your master bedroom. But let me show you the bathroom and shower of the master. So as you know, this property does have high ceilings, and there's a lot of light fixtures and architectural designs that make the house feel much more open and much more light come in. This is the master bathroom and shower. 2 sinks for the family. You have another closet and space area right here. And as we come out from the master, there's 2 master bedrooms on the first floor. So the kitchen and the living room is right there. And as we walk out, there is a bathroom to the outside, meaning it's not inside the bedroom. So any guests are more than welcome to use it. And as we walk into the second master, I actually kind of like this one more, and I'll tell you why. You do have another fire fixture right here. I really like this. And I like this room a lot because you have plenty of space to have another potential office area or anything kids related. You can have some playground here too, but you have plenty of space compared to the other room. And that is why it is considered 2 master bedrooms. That is me right here. And then we're gonna walk into the closet area. And then double sink. You have the bathroom and the shower in here. This property was built in 1999. You have another closet area here. And it is a 2-story home. So we just finished touring the first floor. I'm going to show you what the second floor looks like. As you come down, that's beautiful. Before we come down to the second floor, I will show you the garage, which is pretty spacious. They did refinish the floors. I really like how it looks and the color. The fridge is gonna stay in the property. You do have a washer and dryer in the garage. They cleaned out the sewer line and the water line, so less cleaning for you. And the garage open door is not the loudest, and it doesn't shake the whole house. Closing. All right. Now we're gonna go to the bottom floor. You also have access to your dogs or cats if you have any. And the property is equipped with solar and EV charger, a Tesla one. But the first bedroom, they staged it as they have for the 2 little girls. I think it's perfectly amazing for the girls. You have another storage area right here. And what's great about this room is you have your own access door. So if you really wanted to, you have a teenager or somebody that just wants to have their own space, they can come in through that door and come to the room without going upstairs to the main door. Or even you could block off this door and create an ADU over here. This shower is completely new. Everything here is brand new. They just finished it. The flooring as well. It's all new, painted as well. The sink, it's all new. They also refinished the floors throughout the house. It is all hardwood, not engineered. So that is the bathroom and shower to the other bedroom. Interesting color and design. And this is also new. They just finished building this. Alright, then we're gonna go to the bedroom, to the second bedroom downstairs, which right now is currently staged as an office. You do have a cute area where you can go and create maybe like a dog house or an area for the kids to play, or even storage for all of your luggage. But this room has access to the barbecue area outside, which I will show you guys very soon. As we make our way down to the last bedroom, you do have a barbecue area, as I mentioned, and right there is all the pool equipment. You have a hangout spot right there, and this is the bedroom that has complete access to the pool. I'm gonna show you the bathroom and shower. They also just finished doing that as well. Put new floors and new sink. And then this room is a pretty unique room because this could be another room, not a bedroom, but could be an office. It is currently looked as a storage room and basically an area where you can just store your clothes. So a closet, but multiple areas where you can do whatever you want. And then I'm going to show you the pool area. So I'm gonna go from the one side right here. The owner of the property really liked swimming, so he built his own pool right here, and he will swim every single morning in this pool. If you do have kids and you're potentially considering not having such a big pool, that's the only negative side that we have heard from this property from some clients. Is the solution is you can fill up all the way here, from here all the way here, and just have that pool area, and that would be about 10 to 15,000, just an estimate. You do have a hot tub here that flows into the pool. Just listen how quiet it is. That's amazing. That is the upstairs. And then you do have another barbecue area stationed right here with all the pool equipment. You have the hangout area with the fan, and you have a bar area with a sink, and you can give all of your friends all the drinks that they're looking for. This is one of the bedrooms, which is kind of as an office. They painted in and out all over through the property, so it really gives it a pop right now and looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I'm gonna leave all the property information in the description below of this video. If you are looking to either buy, sell, or move here in San Diego, I would be more than happy to be a resource for you and give you my personal perspective. I'm gonna leave all my information down in the description below of this video. I hope you like this video, and until then, до свидания.